Good afternoon, December the 7th, 2015. Time to wrap up the day's trading. We came in this morning hoping, we thought the easiest trade to see was a failure to take out the 95-2100 area. We had to quickly lower that to 85 to 88 based on this congestion right here, and had the trades as expected. By the time we had gotten into this area right here, we had picked out 69 to 71 as the trading target, and it did go lower than that. So here we sit. We've built value. Well below where it was on Friday, excuse me. We're not getting much of the lift, but the key is going to be right here. What does this player do? And you can see here that the 50 lot traders peak selling came right here on these two bars right there. So they've actually been where the market support has come from. We're still looking for a new move out of this 70 area plus or minus. The way the market is acting is telling me that it's going to go lower. But we'll have to see what this guy does. Minus 36.82. So we had a pretty good day today. We saw the trade of the day as being a short, given that we're in a trading range and the market reversed from Friday's strong run up off of varying reports of why it ran up. So we're in a trading range. We definitely have a seller at 2100. We've got a buyer below 2050. The high was 2108. The low, I believe, was just right below 2040, or right at 2040. So 40 to 2110's about 70 points, and in bull markets, corrections are about 70 points, and that's about all that you can discern from this, because trying to follow the news and make sense out of it does not make sense. You've got a higher low and a higher high. We can buy into weakness. We can definitely sell failure to take out strength on the assumption that we close in this 2067 area. Looking at our F2 screen, we're going to be looking at a pretty solid B. The K split is no longer valid, so right now we'll look at an L split or an M split, one of these two, and we're in that time of day where we can get a big trade. So if we take out this 64 area, my guess is we're headed below 2050. That would be the next place that I can see the market getting to. If we don't, then we can short cover up, and as long as we stay below 75, this market can sell. So assuming a close right here at 67.5. Don't have any news to speak of tomorrow, so right there 69 to 71 will be sell 1, 74, 76 will be sell 2. On the buy side, I think we'll go a little bit lower, so we'll play for a 65, 63 buy, and we'll open it up to 55, 57 if we take that out. I put an article up there from Zero Hedge. The JPM analyst has said more selling to come. He's caught one rally and two sell-offs so far this fall, and his timing has been within a couple of days. He's been pretty good. So he is paid attention to. Okay, looking at the 10-year, the note, strong day to the upside. This is auction week. We usually have a pretty good three-year and two-year auction. Looks like we're going to have it this time. So we got a higher low, higher high. F1 says we're looking for a place to buy it. Looking at the F2 screen, a very, very strong piece. So Same situation we have been. You can see this 2616 area, pretty good resistance, and it held today. We're currently at 10. We have a 4-letter ledge at 14. So if we were to close it right here, might take 14s, but selling failure to take out 12 to 16 would be the trade, and then 19 to 23. If the E-mini spills, we'll have to raise everything up this afternoon and tomorrow. We have the last rotate down stopped at 8.5, so 5 to 9 by 1, and then 1 to 29 by 2. And the 3-year auction should keep us from selling tomorrow without some external help from the news or the E-mini or something. The knob spread widened a bunch, a full point today. And you know, people say you can't make money trading spreads. Yes, you can. You can make a lot of money trading spreads. And when you get into like the in the spring, early summer, the bean spreads go nuts. Energy spreads can go nuts 12 months out of the year. And the knob spread, when it's moving, it's a quick $1,000, and the players know that. Okay, right here, 4-letter ledges at 18, high of 23, so selling failure to take out 20 to 24, and 31 to 03 for sell 2. On the buy side, 1 to 5, pretty aggressive. And then we have this void, really all the way from 5 down to 154, 14, 16. So got the attractor down here at 20. We can make 21, 25 by 2 and see what happens. Given the 3-year auction, I think we're going to have to pay up to get long. Okay, I think gold is headed below 1050 once again. Not all in one day, but going to get a retest of that is, and my feeling is that it's going to come out, just based on the way the market is selling. So we have an inside day right here on the F1. That implies trading range. Definitely dealing with a B pattern. Multiple distributions lower, 3 distributions lower, and we had pointed out earlier today that this 70 area with all this volume, 68 to 70, was probably where we were going to end up. So we had this breakout from 65. 70 is going to be near support. So for Globex, we're going to make 68.70 by 1. Then we're going to make 63.65 by 2. Let them get stops below market numbers. The spell was from 73, so 74, 76, sell 1, 79 to 81, sell 2. Picking up those high volume areas up above. Crude. Wow. Got whacked today. It was not unexpected though. We've been playing for this, and we said stops below the existing contract lows, and we got them. Lower high, lower low. This is find a place to sell it. I think it's going to take breakout hostilities in the Middle East to stop the selling right here. And Iran's deal starts at the first of the year, and that's the Indonesia and Iran joining Indonesia joining OPEC and Iran joining their production out there is the increase from 30 million barrels a day to 31.5. We have a couple distributions down. Got a pretty clean break at 38, so 37.75, 38, sell 1, 38 and a quarter, 38.50, sell 2. Pretty aggressive on the sell side. 37 even, 37 and a quarter, buy 1. I think we're headed for stops below 35. And then 36.50, 36 and a quarter, buy 2. And last but not least, the euro. Dollar was up today, might be down tomorrow, so we might be able to get a sell-off at a higher level. F1, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. And pretty much straight up after the first hour of trading. And we got back up where we thought we might get. So it is definitely a P. I would guess a little higher in London. So 875, sell 1, 109, sell 2. On the buy side, the break here was from 108 and a quarter, so we'll make 108.25, buy 1. 108 even, buy 2. That's it for December the 7th, 2015. We're just waiting to see which way the 50 lot trader throws the E-mini this afternoon. And it looked like they were supporting the market by buying. We'll see if that plays out.